Sambhav is not staying in first benches.
Sambhav is not sitting in first bench. Maybe you all running out. More to come. Some more are they standing out? No, sir. Division tests are over or?
No, sir. Going on next Sunday, next Monday.
So revision one set is over.
One over, we have to start from Monday.
Ryan Gargar.
Yes.
Ryan Nehru.
Going on.
You're in Ryan Nehru.
Not village.
Tomorrow, test is there. What is?
It's
Three things. So that's enough. Huh? That's a nice one, ma'am. It's good.
I will get 9 marks.
What? I didn't get 9 marks. I didn't get 9 marks. These are do and come now. I. So. Done. Start. Who is that? Why don't you use your this? So today we have done the completed the statistics part now. Over everything. Shambhavi, what is going on over everything? Refill changing. For yours. So when are you going to come and sit in the first period? Second period. That's the second period. First period you will sit and talk to it. Remove the mask and sit that meeting. Remove the mask and sit that. Then we will come to know now. Then remove the mask and sit, then we will come to know. Huh? Yeah. That means the mask is the protection to talk now. You can answer, Akansha. Why are you saying Akansha's name? So, if I see you talking, I'll send you out. Yeah. Listen now. Statistics part we have done. Completed the statistics part. Mean, median, mode part. We have completed now. Listen to the next part. We are going to do the cylinder cone. Okay. The chapter cylinder cone means solids. One part of this one chapter was done in the 9th standard. That is mainly it was cuboid. Okay. Then after that, this year, along with cuboid, we have cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere. Okay. Rasim, stand up. Come and sit in the second bench. Done all. All of you signed. Is it yours only? Keep it, put it in your bag now. There is place there now. Done. Yeah. So first and foremost thing is, you have to what happens? The AC is on now. Not on.
It's on.
You're kind. You're not set. Well, these are 3 rotations you have to do, so nobody came. I have given to you only. Then you come. Yeah, listen. The first thing is, in the cylinder and cone part, that solids, these are the chapter of mensuration. In the mensuration, you have 2 parts are there. One is area and the second one is coming as area and second one, area and perimeter is the first one, and the second one is volume and surface area. Okay, so this is volume and surface area for the solids. We are talking about today, we are going to talk about 3-dimensional figures. Okay, 3-dimensional figures we are talking about, its volume, surface area. 2-dimensional figures, area and perimeter done. Okay, rectangle, square, triangle, all these things we have done all. Okay, so what happened to Pratik? Still stay. You want to go home then. Now, so first and foremost thing is, basic formula I discussed. It is not with only the basic.
Mosquito, sir. Mosquito.
Throw it down.
Sir, hand on. Blood coming.
Hurry, this one. One. We stand outside only. One with mosquito, one with this one. Okay. Yeah. So this one, first is, the basic formula you have to learn. From there, we will study about how to apply the combined solids and all. Okay. Now, identify. It's not that, just directly given the formula you can apply. So you have to read the question and identify. For example, that first case, I'll tell you regarding the surface area. Surface area you will study, base area you will study, lateral surface area or curved surface area you will see, total surface area you will see. It's not that, find the total surface area means immediately you apply that formula. It depends upon combination of the solids will come. For example, a cylinder and a cone is attached. So cylinder and a cone is attached means cylinder alone, how many surfaces are there for a cylinder alone? 3 surfaces are there. One base is there, 2 bases are there, and curved surface is there. Cone contains how many surfaces are there? 2 surfaces. One base is there and curved surface. Suppose if a cylinder, this is the cylindrical part, which is attached to the conical part. So it is attached over here. Now there is a solid formed by a cylinder and a cone is attached. A kill here, pen you can see later. Now in this one, how many surfaces are there? There is coming only, see, this base of the cone and the base, one base of the cylinder are even stick. Okay, it's inside, so you cannot see that surface over there. So total surface is coming as what? Base area of the cylinder, third surface area of the cylinder, and the third surface area of the cone. So 3 surfaces only. So when the question is asked, find the total surface area, why I'm telling this one means you have to be extremely careful. Find the total surface area. Find the total surface area of the solid means you don't take total surface area of the cylinder plus total surface area of the cone. We say visible surface area. Visible means the surfaces you can see outside, or that surface can be painted. That is called the visible surface area. That area you have to take it. Okay. So it's not only the formula, after that analyze the figure and you do it. Directly if it is given, let's say cross cylinder and all, then that is something different. Okay. It is a combination of the solids. Next is, we are going to study about the solids are. Okay, the solids, one it is coming as cuboid, second one is coming as a cube, then cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere, and again the hollow ones also is going to happen. Okay, now over here, what is the shape? What is this one? Cuboid. Okay, if I take this one also cuboid. What is the difference between these two? Size, forget about. If it is, this is what? Corner, no, it's imagine it's a corner is not curved. You open it, it's an empty one, hollow. over here, this one it's not empty. If you cut it with thin paper, solid. This is called the solid. This is called a cuboid box. Okay, box means inside it is an empty one. Okay, shell, box, hollow, these all things are there. Understood or not? Now, what is the volume of the solid means volume of the, this one is the material used by it, means volume of the paper. What is the volume of the solid means what is the volume of material used? Volume of the material means what is the volume of the metal used for this? Wooden means volume. Okay, so difference it is there. If nothing is mentioned in the question, always we consider it just a solid only. Understood or not? Now, next is, do you know what you mean by capacity? Capacity means internal volume. Okay, capacity means what is inside volume, it is called the capacity. Understood? Simply volume means how much space is required to occupy each one. Okay. I mean, capacity means internal volume. Now look here, it is for example over here. This one, external volume and internal volume are different. Okay, it depends upon the thickness and all that will come. Okay, capacity means internal volume. What happened?
Sir, capacity is always there in hollow.
Capacity means mainly it is a hollow, whatever it is, capacity means internal volume. Nothing in mention means you find out the volume. Okay, that is the next. You know what? Now next is, before going to that one, first is units I will discuss about. Unit of any circumference, perimeter and all, what is it? Single unit. Centimeter. Okay, radius, length, breadth, height, centimeter, meter, kilometer, that many units. What is the unit of any kind of area?
Square.
Square units, centimeter, square meter, square meter. What is the unit of any volume? Volume is only one with cube, centimeter, cubometer, cube. Conversion, all of you know? All of you know?
Yes.
All of you. Okay, so what is it? Okay, Paritosh, how do you convert millimeter to kilometer? I asked you to tell me.
Sir, one by one. Sir, 1 by 1 lakh.
1 by 1 lakh. How did you get 1 lakh? And don't look here. Sit down. How to convert means first of all, first and foremost thing is which is the bigger quantity and which is smaller quantity. Kilometer is the bigger quantity, in millimeter is the smaller quantity. When you convert small to big, you have to divide. Big to small, what you have to do? Multiply. So you want to do this one. We have a relation between millimeter to centimeter. You know what is millimeter to centimeter? 10. So divide by 10. That means centimeter come. Centimeter to meter, 100. So again denominator will come 100. Meter to kilometer. Okay, you don't need to remember what is the common conversions and all. Understood or not? This way you remember. Okay, millimeter to centimeter, I need to divide by 10. Then centimeter to become meter means divide by 1 more 100. Then divide. Understood or not? That is all. Opposite, if kilometer to millimeter, this way multiply. Don't put that 1 followed by this many zeros. Why means, you know, suppose if it is coming here, let's say 5, 6, 2, 5 divided by, let's say 10. If I put this way, this many zeros over there, cancellation will be difficult. Okay, instead of that one, if I break and put it, okay, 100 into 10 into 1000, then your cancellation will be little more easier, convenient for you. Okay, so that way, don't make everything multiply. So cancellation would make it the proper. Now, do you know convert? Okay, next is, yes, what happened? Now, how do you know how to convert meter square to centimeter square? You have to just remember this measurement. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. So 1 meter square is 100 square centimeter. If it is square means that many square. If meter cube means 1 meter cube is equal to how many? 100 cube centimeter. Okay. This one you know means square means correspondingly square, cube means correspondingly cube. That also followed. Yes. So remember these all conversion things. And in the volume surface area, this chapter, whichever the question answer should be with a unit. Unit is compulsory, you have to write it. Now, that also is clear. Next is, before starting the formula, do you know what is the meaning of uniform solid? Uniform solid. Uniform.
When changed in size, it would be same.
Listen, this we say this is a uniform solid. Why it is uniform solid means if you take any cross section, you know what is the meaning of cross section? Cut parallel to the base, then that cross section will be same as the base. If I cut parallel to the base, this and this rectangle will be same. This and this rectangle will be same. This rectangle and this rectangle will be same. If I take this one, this is what is the shape? Cylinder. So if I cut here, the same circle, same circle, same circle, same circle. Imagine for a cone. Slicing, it will be circles, will be there, small circles are coming, isn't it? Therefore, it's not a uniform. Are you followed? Okay, that is the first condition. So, first thing is, whenever if it is a uniform solid, its volume is equal to area of the cross section into length. Length means height. Okay, area of the cross section or base area multiplied by height. So, right, getting written, chapter getting written, cylinder and cone, cylinder cone sphere. Cylinder cone sphere. Chapter 20. Cylinder cone sphere. Written. Well, this much time not taken present. Right. First thing, right. Volume of a uniform solid. Volume of a uniform solid is equal to volume of a uniform solid is equal to area of the cross section into length. Area of cross section into length. Area of cross section into length. That is same as which, if you want to write this with same as base area into height. Base area multiplied by height. Okay. Base area multiplied by height. Next. Another formula also is right. Area of vertical faces. Area of vertical faces is equal to perimeter of the cross section into length. Perimeter of cross section. Length. Same thing, only perimeter of the base into height. Are you followed? Vertical. You know what it means? Perimeter of the cross section into length. Means perimeter of the base into height. Do you know what I mean by vertical faces? We just look at this room. Room is in the shape of a cuboid. The room is in the shape of a cuboid. The floor is coming as a rectangle, that is the base, and the roof is also the base. These four points are called the vertical faces. To find out the area means you take this perimeter multiplied by height. Okay, if this is length into height is the same. This is breadth into height is the same. That also length into height is the same. That is same as 2 times length plus breadth into height. Okay, understood. Now, if it is not required this space, the remaining balance it is coming as. Okay, yes, what happens?
Sir, how to find the perimeter of
Perimeter cuboid base you have to check. I'll tell you, it's not perimeter or the cross section means you will take the base. Base is a rectangle. Base is a rectangle means that is on. Perimeter cuboid does not have any perimeter. It's a plain figures got the perimeter. Understood now? The surface, this face has, if you take this face, it has a perimeter. If this face has a perimeter, this face has a perimeter. Yes. The cross section means if you cut this way, whatever is coming, that is called the cross section. That is same as the base. Understood or not? Okay. Now over here, what else?
In 7th standard, we have total area minus area of those two faces.
That all will come. Listen now. That is not real. That is called a lateral surface area. Now look here. Now, if it is, look all of you here. This one. I said this is a cuboid over here. If I cut parallel to the base, it will be same as. If I cut this way also, if this is parallel to the base, or if I cut this way also, it will be parallel to the base. That means this figure, this cuboid is Which one? Uniform with all the faces. Whereas if I take this one, this is a cylinder now. In this cylinder, if I cut this way, it is same. Suppose if I slice this way, it is not same now. It is not not equal basis of something now. So depends upon. So it is this is called the cross section. If I cut this way, you will get the same thing? No. The small different sizes and all. If I cut this one, small cylinders, you will get no, and the base will be same. Another example I will tell you. Swimming pool, all of you know, no? What is the shape of the swimming pool?
Open box.
Is it? What's it? Cuboid. Is it a cuboid? Is it hollow also?
It's not.
Forget about hollow or not. That is not the. It is not cuboid. You know, there is a deep side and shallow side. Swimming pool is not always, you know, if you all of you been to swimming pool now, swimming pool contains a deep side and shallow side is there now. If it is cuboid means everywhere height should be same. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you are, this is the swimming pool. I stand over here. If I walk towards, you know, this one, you will be sinking in this one, you know, the water, no. So that means it is not. Now look at here. Let's imagine this is swimming pool over here. What will be this face? The rectangle. That face, that is also rectangle. Is it these two rectangles are same?
No, sir.
No. This is a smaller rectangle. That is a bigger rectangle. Okay, now. How about the top? If you look at the swimming pool, you can see a rectangle only now from the swimming. Now, if you see the bottom is a rectangle. That rectangle is slanting this way. You will be moving this way, it's slanting, it is coming. Okay, slant is depends upon the pool it is coming. Okay, so that is also. How about this side? Both of this side are what? Rectangle.
So the
It is
length would be.
What are these sides? They are trapeziums. This is a smaller height, that is a bigger height, this is like this one. This is yes or no? Now with this swimming pool, if you see this one means if I move this way, the swimming pool height will remain the same. Yes, if I move this way, the height will remain same. Yes. If I move this way, height will not be same. So it is uniform about this side. Suppose if I cut this way, cut this way, cut this way, means the slices will be same now. Okay, understood or not? So that is why you have to imagine the figures and you have to do it, sir. I cannot take in this one, here it is area of the cross section and this trapezium multiplied by this length. Then you will get the volume of the swimming pool. I cannot take this rectangle multiplied by this length. Why? It is not uniform this way. It is uniform this way. Understood or not? So this way, the questions when it is coming, you have to imagine, you have to do. Questions will come and do it. Okay. So first condition you got us this volume for a uniform solid. It is area of the cross section into length. It is for only uniform. In your case, you know which are the uniform? Cuboid is a uniform one. Cube is uniform. Cylinder is uniform. How about the cone? Not uniform. Sphere? No. If it is cutting, you know, small, it is not the sphere, is not the uniform. Hemisphere. You know what I mean by hemisphere? Half of the sphere. That is also not uniform. Understood or not? Now, one by one, I am going to tell about. You know what is the cuboid?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is the cuboid? What is the cuboid?
4 dimensions.
4 dimensions. There are 4 dimensions. A solid, 3-dimensional means a solid. How many faces are there? All 12 faces. 6 faces. This is contained. How many faces are there? 6 faces. All the faces are rectangles. Isn't it? This is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle. All the 6 faces are rectangle. And opposite rectangles are equal. Understood? So cuboid will be a this one solid with how many faces are there? 6 faces. All the 6 faces are rectangles and it contains opposite equal. This much is clear. Do you know what you mean by dimensions? Its length, its breadth, and its height. So find the dimension means find the length, breadth, and height of the cuboid. Understood that also? Do you know what is the volume of this cuboid? LBH. Okay, understood or not? Right. Right. Heading right cuboid. Cuboid First, I will explain all the formula, then only we will go to start.
Necessary that all these sides will be pointed rectangle.
Then what should be?
Set two sides can be square.
A square is also a rectangle.
Square.
Okay. Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay, it should. So, cuboid, number of faces. Number of faces is how much? Six. Number of faces is 6. You want to write all rectangles, that will be just down view. By the way, how many vertices are for the
12.
report? Sure. See,
Great, sir.
look at
Eight
the 1,
vertices.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. How many edges are there? 12 edges. 4, 8, again 2 edges are there, 12 edges. No need to write that register has to be. Okay. Now, you wrote number of faces is 6. Dimensions are not 3. Dimensions are L, comma B, comma H. Dimensions are small l, B, H. What is L? Length. B, breadth, and H is the height. Okay. Dimensions are L, B, H. Remember, whenever do the formula, all the units should be same. One is in meter, another is centimeter. Everything should be converted into same unit. Next, volume is equal to LVH. Volume is equal to LBH. Do you know what is its base area? LB, length into breadth. Have you followed? This is the base. It's a length into breadth rectangle. Do you know what is its total surface area? TSM is total surface area.
Sir, 2 LB plus BH plus
2 times
Sir, 2
LB plus BH plus LH. Are you followed or not?
Yes.
How it is getting not followed, you tell me, I'll explain. This is LB, top also LB. This is BH, this also BH. This is LH, this also LH. Add on. So 2 times. Remember this short formula. 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. Okay. Now, next is called lateral surface area or area of vertical faces or area for walls. All of them are same meaning. Okay. Lateral surface area, area of vertical faces or area for walls. What is it? 2 bases removed now. LB will be removed. 2 LB removed. So what is left out? 2 times PH plus LH. That is 2 times L plus B times H. 2H into L plus B.
This we have learned in
These all are 8th, 9th year study. Whichever the classes. Okay now. Now listen. These all cases. First formula which you use now. What is the for a uniform solid? What is the volume? Area. What is for a uniform solid? Yeah, base. So what is the base area? LB into height. Okay. What is the area of the vertical faces? Perimeter of the cross section 2 times L plus B into height. So all obtain that only. Okay, all will come to the same. Give the uniform.
Base area is given and breadth are given. So we can find the length of the
Base area, that all things are you can substitute and simplify. You will get accordingly. Understood all of you? This page is clear. Okay now. Now listen. I already spoke about the box. If it is a box, what will be the volume of the wood used? Volume of the solid, volume of the metal used.
So total minus the single.
So not volume means not surface area. External volume minus internal volume.
External minus.
That's not.
So that
If it is,
changes.
then look here. If this is the box, volume of the metal used, it is same as what? It's external volume minus internal volume. Internal volume is called the capacity. Okay. External volume. Now look, imagine there is a box is there. If those are for you, do you know what do you mean by thickness?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by thickness? Outer length minus inner length. For example, this room. Yeah, if the is it length, inside length and outside length the same thing? Okay, same format. Suppose it is given us a box is given to you, and if it is given as L is equal to 20, breadth is equal to let's say 18, and height is equal to 12. Okay, this is external, and whose thickness is equal to let's say 1 centimeter. A closed box is there. Listen carefully. A closed box whose length, breadth and height is given and thickness is given. Now, what will be its internal length, internal breadth and internal height?
Minus 2 each
It's
minus
20 minus 2 times. 2 times 1 means 20 minus 2. 18 minus 2, 16 minus 2. Are you followed?
yes.
Thickness has to be removed from both the sides. That is why 20 not followed. Look, if this you are going to measure this measurement of this room, you got as 10 meter. Or go outside and measure. This wall thickness will be taken now. Then only you'll get the length now. So that means this thickness and this thickness has to be removed now. So 2 times the thickness has to be subtracted. Therefore, it is 20 minus 2 times 1. That is 20 minus. Huh? This is called the mensuration job. Okay. Now, same way, what will be the inner breadth? 18 minus 2. And inner height? 10. It is why it is 2 is coming is 2 into 1. Okay. Now listen carefully. If this box is, listen carefully. If this is box is open at the top, there are boxes top open now. And its external dimensions are given this one, external outer length, outer breadth, and outer height. What will be inner length, inner breadth, inner height? Those will know. Yes, tell me.
So length and breadth would be same, but height would be.
Yes. Okay. Length, only height only now. This one, thickness of the height is not there now. Remaining all remain same now.
Yes.
Just imagine for the box over there, open box. If it is open box over here, if it is this is open over here, so to get the length means outer length and minus this thickness and this thickness. So therefore, inner length is equal to 20 minus 2 times thickness. Outer breadth means what? Inner breadth means outer breadth minus 1 thickness and second thickness. Whereas the height means only 1 thickness has to be subtracted. Therefore, it is coming as the correspondingly height will be coming. Subtract only 1 thickness only at the subtract. If it is open at the top. If it is both the side, if it is open. If it is open. Then length will be same. 20 minus 2. Breadth will be also same way. 18 minus 2. Whereas height, outside height and inner height is same thing. Okay, that is a condition, remember. Okay, when more, if this type of question comes again, I will explain it again. Okay, this is the one for the cuboid. You know what? How many diagonals are for the cuboid? Sir, 4. Diagonals for the cuboid?
So 3,
3.
6, 8, 7, 5. So 3. So final. So 3.
Finally 3.
Yes.
8. 12. Okay, so finally there are 4 diagonals. I said. But you said 2.
Sir, what size and what?
Look now, diagonal means this corner will be joined to the bottom of that corner. This corner will be top of that corner, same way crossing. Therefore, diagonals are there 4. And diagonal formula also there, D is equal to root of L square plus B square plus S square. Longest rod which can be kept and all that all formula is there. Okay. Now, diagonal also you can write root of L square plus B square plus H square. Now, what is the difference between cuboid and a cube?
But on the side, on the edges are same.
So that means L, B, H are equal. Okay. So that is the one. Means all the faces of the cube are
Same.
all the faces of this cube are squares. Yes or no? This rectangle becomes the square. That is the difference is coming. So write cube. Directly we can write all the formula. Cube. Dimension means edge. That is A you can take. A or side or dimension means A. Dimension is A. A is called the side or edge. Volume is equal to A cube. LBH means A into A into A. Volume is equal to A cube. Base area. A square, which is a square, base area is equal to A square. Written?
Yes.
Then total surface area.
6,
6A square. A cube is there. A square is there. Total surface area is equal to 6A square. Lateral surface area.
4A square.
4A square. Diagonal. All three are equal to A, no? A square plus A square plus A square is how much? Under root 3 A square or A root 3. This also A, this also A, this also A. A square plus A square plus A square is how many A square? 3A square. This is called the lateral surface area. Okay, this is the lateral surface means the vertical faces area. It's called the lateral surface area. Completed all of you? Cuboid is done.
Yes.
Anything problem? Ask me, I'll tell you now. Done. Okay. Next is so cuboid is done. These all basically lot of questions based on the you must have done in the 9th standard. Next one, right? Cylinder. Cylinder or somewhere you will see right circular cylinder. Both are same thing only. You know, look here. What is the meaning of right circular cylinder? Means base is a circle. I can cut this way also, no? If I slice this way, then it is base is not a circle. Is it coming circle this way? It is cutting. Okay, it is an ellipsoid, elliptical type is coming. Okay, that all we don't have. We have only right circles. Okay. Do you know what are the dimensions of the cylinder? It's a radius and its height. Radius means radius of the base and height. Okay, so right. First you write number of faces. Number of faces, how much? 3. So 1, 2, 3. 2 bases and the third surface. Okay, number of faces is equal to 3. Understood? Dimensions are R and H. Dimensions are R and H. R is the radius of the base, H is the height or length. Right? Always remember length of the cylinder, height of the cylinder, width of the cylinder. All of them are same things. Okay. There are some depends upon the question. Somewhere it will be seen length of the cylinder. Wire is in the shape of what is the wire shape of the wire? Cylinder, no? Okay, it's a length will give. That means it is a height. Okay. Rod rollers, you know rod rollers.
Yes.
Okay, its width is given means that is the height of the cylinder. Okay. Now, so you need now one by one. Do you know what is the formula for volume? Volume is equal to pi r square h. Volume is equal to pi r square h. It's a uniform one. Area of the base times height. Base area is pi r square and its height. Okay. Now, next is base area. Base area of the circle. Area of the circle is what? Pi r square. Base area is equal to pi r square. Circumference of the base, you know. 2 pi r. It's a circle. 2 pi r. Circumference of the base, perimeter of the base, all are 2 pi r.
Circumference of the base would be same as circumference of the stem.
The cylinder circumference means circumference of the base. Okay. Next, this measure curved surface area. Curved surface area. Here we don't tell lateral surface area curve. Curved surface area. You know the formula? 2 pi r h. CSE means curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. Okay. Next, total surface area. How many surfaces are there? 3. So curved surface area is 2 pi r h. And how many bases are there? 2 bases. Pi r square plus pi r square is 2 pi r square. Are you followed? Think and you can write. Dot 3 spaces are there. Dot surface is 2 pi r h. You can take common also. 2 pi r times h plus r. Okay, there itself is like you can write the formula. Followed how it is getting? There is 1 pi r square, another pi r square, and this is 2 pi r. This is the one. Okay, understood now? Hope all of you followed. No problem? Yes. Total surface area. This cylinder has how many surfaces are there? 3 surfaces. This surface is called curved surface. 2 pi r h. This is a circle. Area of the circle is 1 pi r square. Top is also another circle. Area is equal to pi r square. Pi r square and pi r square are 2 pi r square. Yes, so 2 pi r is taken common. Therefore, it is coming as how much is coming as 2 pi r h. Understood or not? Now listen. This shall come again also. Look, I rotate this one. What is come?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. That means this is a cylinder one. Huh? No. Huh? The cylinder, okay. Okay. This is the cylinder. If I cut open this way, what will you get? Rectangle. This area of this rectangle will be same as its broad surface area.
Sir, sometimes questions may come like
Bracket.
why this
That is for the area base. This will be coming as a paper folder. Look here. So if I cut along this way, open it. Look here. You will get as what a rectangle coming. So area of this one it is same as the third surface area. Now this will be same as one side, that is 2 pi r, and the other side is h. That is why this is 2 pi r and this h. Area of the rectangle is angular base 2 pi r into h. That is why it is coming as CSA is equal to this. Now this paper I can fold this way. One cylinder has come. Or I can take this paper and this way also I can repeat now. Okay, roll this way. There is another cylinder comes. Both are not same volume. Area will remain same, but the volume will not be same. Base will not be same. Understood or not? Okay, so that one comes and I'll tell you the questions are coming. Okay. So next, so cylinder means okay, hollow. Now next is coming. Okay. Hollow cylinder. Do you know what's a hollow cylinder? Pipe. Pipe is a hollow cylinder now. Okay, inside. Hollow is there. So hollow cylinder. So that means if you take a pipe or a hollow cylinder, first of all, tell me how many surfaces will be there?
One.
Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Over, agreed? 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
How many?
There are 4 surfaces are there. Okay. Look. Yeah. When you there is a curved surface means there is an outer curved surface and there is an inner curved surface. Base. There is a base is there now. What is the base? What is the shape of base? It is a ring. Thickness is there now. If you open the pen and you can see now there is a ring is there now. Are you followed or not? There is a ring in there now. No, it is. The thickness or this cap it is there taken. You see this one, there is a ring is there now. Okay, circular ring. Okay, that means how many circular rings are there? 2. For total 4 is there. Do you know what the area of a ring? It contains outer radius and inner radius now. So outer area minus inner area. Capital R we take it as capital outer radius, small r we take it as inner radius. The outer area pi capital R square minus pi small r square or pi times r square minus r square. Okay, that is all. Now, what is the volume of the metal? Before that, how about the height? Is it outer height and inner height are same thing?
Yes.
Ishita, we are talking about which solid? You know what which solid we are talking about? Not looking. We are continuing. Okay, listen. No. So, is it outer height and inner height are same thing?
Yes.
Yes. Height will remain same. Only the radius, outer radius and inner radius are different. Volume of the solid. Listen here. Volume of the metal or volume of the solid used for this hollow cylinder is equal to outer volume minus inner volume. Outer volume is found out by pi capital R square minus inner volume is pi small r square. I can write pi h r square minus r. Okay, have you followed? So right, hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder or cylindrical pipe, all are same thing only. Yes.
In hollow cylinder, two surfaces are hollow and one the full one. So 3.
To this one you are talking about its bottom also. You remove it, take one piece of pipe. And see, take one piece of pipe, how many surface you can see? One outer surface is there, inside also surface is there, one base is there, another base is there now. Okay or not? Understood or not? There are 4 surfaces are there. So written, follow cylinder written now. So below right, thickness is equal to thickness width. Thickness equal to capital R minus small r. Thickness is equal to capital R minus small r. What is capital R? It's around radius and small r is the internal area. All of you followed? Okay. Now, next is volume of the solid. Volume of the solid. Is equal to formula. How you can write external volume minus internal volume. That is 2 pi r. Hello, 0. Sorry. Okay, external volume minus internal volume. That is equal to either this or this, both are same. Okay. Yeah. So now the question. Now look here. I'm not giving the total surface area. If it is area of the ring, you know what the area of the ring? 5 times r square minus r square. What is the external CSA? Not surface area. 2 pi which are H, capital R H. What is the internal CSA? 2 pi small r H. Okay. Then now next is again the base is coming by r square. Now read the question and accordingly do it. A pipe is there, it has to be painted. Okay, the pipe you can see only if the pipe is to be there, okay, a cooling pipe is there. Then only the external surface you need to paint. If the pipe is given to you and paint means you have to paint everything. Are you following or not? Or a pillar, a pipe is used for to make a pillar. Okay, support is kept over there. Okay, pipes are there, no, you support over there. I need to paint that one. Only the curves, only outer CSA you need to be painted. Understood? Read the question, identify. Think and do it. Even if pipe is kept over there, okay, there is one pipe is lying over there, paint it. So you have to paint things which surface on the surface, inside also. Pipe inside also there is no big pipes are there, huge pipes are there, water pipes are there, you know. That also inside painting and all you can do. Okay, or they will specify the business. You can see now all main pipes are going from in the water supply of this one, no, for water supply, no, big pipe, huge pipes are there, no. No. Okay, cylindrical pipe. Clear or not? No problem. Next is coming as cone, right circular cone or simply cone. All of you know it. Ice cream cone, it is, don't think an ice cream cone means which one? Ice cream cone contains something till cornetto if you're taking. You said, Achha, you said, okay. Okay. Cornetto if you're taking, it is coming as it is a perfect, it is conical one, it is coming, okay. Okay, there you go. Other one, it is ice cream cup means conical cup, it's coming, it's contained this one. How many faces are there? Two faces there, na? Two, it's not a uniform one. Okay, so right. Right, cone, right, faces. Number of faces is written 2. Do you know what are its dimensions? Like dimensions are L, small letter L, H, R. L, H, R. Do you know what is L? L is its slant height. L is the slant height. H is its height. And R is the radius of the base. Have you seen what is slant height is coming? Okay, this one, slant height. This is every face it is coming as slant height. This is the base. Okay, now H is the height. What is the relation between L and R? Pythagoras now. So right first is relation. L square is equal to L square is equal to what?
half R square.
नहीं
L
L square is R square.
अरे अच्छा ओ
अच्छा बोल
sir I thought the whole is R.
What is that? Radius. It's a diameter. Okay, this also is R. Okay, L square is equal to H square plus R square. Pythagoras na perpendicular. Height is always perpendicular to the base na. L square is equal to H square plus R square. Written all of you? Yes. Number of bases. Volume. Volume is equal to 1/3 pi R square H. 1/3 pi R square H. Okay, pi R square H means 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. Next, base area. Base area is circle na pi R square. First you write. Did you write? Base area is equal to pi R square. Next, CSA is equal to pi RL. CSA is equal to pi RL. Written? Yes. Next is TSA. Can you tell what will be TSA? How many bases are there? Pi RL plus pi R square. Only what two bases now? Or you can take pi R, you can take pi R times L plus R. Written? Yes. So how many? So these are formula written. Now look here. Or some of the formula derivations are beyond your scope. This higher class is study. Okay. Now, if you take, I'll tell you. You take a right triangle. Right triangle. Take one side and rotate fast. Fix one side and rotate it fast. What will you get? A cone will form now. If I take this way, the right triangle, and fix this, there is a stick over here, fixed over here, and rotate it along this one. A cone is formed now.
Yes, sir.
Understood? The solid form is called the cone is coming here. Okay. Even suppose if I take this one, then another cone is coming like that. Whereas if this way cone is a double cone is coming. Now these all things, it is not for you people now. Formula learned it. Okay, how it is getting rotation, volume of the rotation is higher class. Integration calculus part for you. And this that is on, so you know it. Another one. Take a bangle and rotate it. What will you get? Sphere. Okay, that is the way it is coming in.
Coin also.
Huh?
Coin also.
Coin also rotating, it is coming in. Ishmeet. Yeah. So remember this one. So that on certain formula is what is it? So that is this one output. I will ask you. Even if or maybe none. Okay, done. Enough. Now, even a semicircle also rotating also, you will get as a correspondingly, you will get as a sphere and all that will come. So, these all things. And again, look here, I don't know if the right standarding method done. If a cylinder is cylinder, a cord is cut open. Now what do you get? Semicircle. It's not necessarily semicircle, a sector will come. You know what is a sector by the way? What is sector? What part of the circle? Listen here. Pizza, all of you know pizza?
Yes.
One slice of pizza, what is the shape? It is called the sector. Okay. Understood? Look. No. Yeah. This is a sector. This one, it is a region enclosed between two radii and an arc. This small, if the arc is minor, it is called the minor sector. Other part, it is called the major sector. Okay, do you know what I mean by segment?
Yes, yes.
Segment of a circle.
Sir, the line angle to be diameter and.
Line parallel to the diameter. How many times? Only one time. A chord divides the circle into two parts. Each part is called a segment. There is no line diameter. There are how many diameters are there? There are infinite diameters. This is called the minor segment. Other part is called the major segment. Okay, segments are there. Okay, so these all parts are there in the area type of question. So cone all of you wrote?
Yes.
Okay, next one. Right, sphere.
Yes.
How many boats?
Did you write sphere?
Very last time.
Yes.
Sphere. How many sphere all of you know? What is it?
So,
Huh?
3D figure, sir.
Look here. All of you listen here. When you consider the football and all, it's a spherical shell, we say. Inside is empty. Short put, you know.
Yes.
That is coming as a sphere. Okay, solid. So, how many pieces are there? There is one piece, 1/3 circle, there is no base. Okay, right. Number of sphere returns, number of faces, 1. Number of faces is equal to 1. Dimension means R, radius. Dimension is radius. Volume is equal to. Volume is equal to, be careful, 4/3 pi r cube. Volume is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Quite a lot of people make mistake for r square. It is 4/3 pi r cube. This is the volume of the solid sphere. Yes, that is the first thing. Then remaining coming only. Now, the sphere contains how many surfaces? One surface. So it's write down. There is another formula: surface area or curved surface area or total surface area. All of them are same thing. Surface area or total surface area or curved surface area. Everything is same thing. That is 4 pi r square. Because it contains only one surface. Yes, sir. Surface area. Find the surface area of the sphere. Find the total surface area. Find the CSA. All are same. How about the base area? No base. No base. Okay. These are the two formula there. Okay. Now, hollow cylinder or spherical shell. Hollow sphere. Hollow sphere. What will be the volume of the solid? External volume minus internal volume. Yes. So right. Hollow sphere. Its volume is equal to external volume minus internal volume. That is 4/3 pi r cube minus r cube. External volume minus internal volume, which is 4/3 pi r cube minus r cube. Capital R is outer radius, small r is the inner radius. Written all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how many surfaces are there for a hollow sphere? Who doesn't want to get even 0 things? There are two pieces are surface are there, but inside surface it's not visible. No? Okay, outer face only is visible. So whenever finding the surface area, they will clearly tell find the outer surface. That is same as 4 pi capital R square. Okay, next one. Sphere is under hemisphere. Complete first. Right. Hemisphere. Do you know what is the hemisphere?
No, sir.
Half of
Half
the
of
sphere.
sphere.
Correct. Hemisphere is half. Right. Hemisphere. How many faces are there for hemisphere? Two faces. There is the base is there and the chord surface. So right. Number of faces is equal to 2. Hemisphere number of faces is equal to 2. Written all of you? Yes. Then Dimension means R. Dimension is R. What will be its volume?
2 by 3 pi r.
Yes, half of the volume, 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3,
Dimension is R.
only R. 2 by 3 pi r cube. What will be its base area?
Base area, sir.
Pi r square. Is this a circle now? Do you know what will be its CSA?
Same.
Which say?
So 2 pi r.
2 pi r square. CSA plus PR is 4, no, it's half. Written all of you?
Yes, sir.
What is its ESA, total surface area? How many surfaces are there?
So 2 of.
So 2 pi r square plus pi r square, how much? 3 pi r square.
Yes.
Total surface area is equal to 3 pi r square.
Happy holidays.
No, hollow hemisphere means same thing only, no? I'm not giving. One question, what is the height of the hemisphere?
What?
Sir, radius.
It is equal to the radius,
Radius.
right? Height of the hemisphere is equal to radius. Height of the hemisphere is equal to radius. Height of the hemisphere is equal to radius. Same height of the radius of the sphere, hemisphere. Okay, what is the height of the sphere? Diameter. How it is only side diameter, okay? So, yeah, listen, 5 minute break, needed.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. 5 minutes after that, I'll ask the formula.
Sir, 3 minutes already done.
Second lecture. Yes,
Sir,
sir.
but I got.
Sir, orange mask.
Hello.
Yeah.